Today, I'm going to show you how to edit the footer in WordPress Elementor. Customizing your footer is essential for maintaining a professional appearance and ensuring visitors have access to important information like contact details, social links, or copyright notices across every page of your site. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is the backend hub where you manage all aspects of your website. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard interface with various menu options on the left side panel. In the WordPress dashboard, navigate to Templates, and then click on Theme Builder. The Theme Builder is where Elementor allows you to create and customize global elements of your site, like headers, footers, and other recurring sections. This powerful feature gives you control over the structural elements that appear consistently throughout your website. Next, click on Footer in the left sidebar. This will display all existing footer templates that have been created for your site. You'll be able to see a list of any footers currently in use or previously designed. This section is specifically dedicated to managing the bottom section of your web pages, where you typically place essential information and navigation. However, here's where you might hit a limitation. In order to edit the footer, you must upgrade to Elementor Pro. The free version of Elementor doesn't include the theme builder functionality, which means you cannot create or modify footer templates without the Pro version. Elementor Pro unlocks advanced features like the theme builder, allowing you to design custom headers, footers, and other dynamic content areas with full creative control. If you're serious about customizing your WordPress site and want complete control over your footer design, upgrading to Elementor Pro is the necessary step. The Pro version provides access to professional widgets, theme building capabilities, and advanced design options that transform your site from basic to fully customized. And that's the process for editing footers in WordPress Elementor. While the free version has limitations, upgrading unlocks the full potential of footer customization. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.